how's it going? Welcome back to Always Alyssa. I am at a campground right now because I'm gonna go camping. I'm so excited. This is my second camping trip with my aunties, so it's gonna be super fun. Campground. Now we're doing our second tent. Got to remove some of these rocks. Pretty view up there.
It's okay. She's a noob. She doesn't know.
I am. I'm new to this. So it turns out we're missing the cap for this sleeping bag. So we're not even going to be able to inflate it. So that means one of us might have to sleep on the floor.
I think it's going to be Michael.
Oh.
He's such a nice boy.
We'll make him a good bed with blankets though.
Yeah. We brought a lot of extra blankets and towels.
And at least this one is filling up. So that's good. We're filling up the second one. Even though this one is deflated and it doesn't work, we're still gonna put it in here for Michael's bed. Okay, we set up all of our sleeping bags. I'm gonna shunt the tent.
We're making cheese and crackers. We all love it.
We're gonna eat dinner in like an hour, so this is just kind of like a snack to tide us over.
Yeah, we're all really hungry.
Yes.
We love cheese and crackers so much, right, Michael? Yeah. So
you know the only person in your family who doesn't like cheese and crackers is Owen?
Really?
I think he's not related.
They're so good. How could he not like them?
I know.
Just look at that. And these are like super good chips.
If you try them, you'll think they're not good, but they're literally the best thing on earth.
I put some Fritos, the twisted honey barbecue,
That's a good idea.
inside of 2 crackers with cheese.
Ian brought some apple pie filling.
Yeah. Does
Eating
anybody
it
else
straight out of the jar, but it's actually really good. I like it. Michael and I are finishing our late lunch, and then I think in 30 minutes we're gonna start the fire. And David had to go wash his hands because they were literally so dirty from the Fritos. It was crazy.
Literally, he got a handful, like literally he did that and we saw his, they were literally just
Super red.
They were like as orange as the Fritos.
So I already told you guys we have to go find sticks, and now we're gonna go find them since we don't have our marshmallows.
Wait, tell him. Yeah, that's
really
actually, that's better than the one you found 5 seconds ago. That stick was terrible.
Yeah.
But you could do, I think it's just the slope, the ground sloping a little.
Fine, whatever.
Looking up makes you taller.
Okay, here.
You should tell him.
I'm gonna go find a stick.
You should tell him about the lady who just told us about the bobcat.
Oh yeah, so this lady came up. I was like, oh crud, are we gonna get in trouble or something?
She's a camp volunteer.
And so she was just telling us that she saw a bobcat all around our camp this morning, which is crazy.
She was hanging out here all day.
Taller than me.
And they're like doing their own thing. I'm trying to tell people about this. There was the coyote. She said that will probably come up behind our camp area because there's nobody back there.
So,
So we're at the end.
We'll get a video.
I'm not gonna go out when the coyotes are there. I'm
Yeah,
just letting you know.
How do you go over here? Because it's the green area.
Yeah. Oh, I think David found a
Look,
stick. Okay, we better go look.
I need one that's long enough, but I don't see one. These are all pretty short.
Yeah, I think that's too big. So it needs to be kind of slender and whip-like. That's what we're looking for. I haven't seen the right tree species yet. Oh, most of these look too brittle.
Okay, it looks like there's some more branches in here, so we'll see if we can find some more good sticks. He is being crafty with our sticks.
Careful, Michael. Don't get too
Stay
close.
back. Some of this wood sticks, so it's hard to get it off.
You gotta be creative.
We can go back to our campsite and we can do this there.
So we're about to play charades. It's like a tradition almost.
Well,
Yeah.
since we've already done it like 2 out of 2 times, it's basically a tradition.
Yeah.
So who wants to go first?
Me. Youngest first.
Michael, young. Okay, Angela clearly wants to go. Here's your
No, I
card.
was joking.
Here's your card.
I wanted to volunteer to be
Okay.
a prop.
Okay, here goes Michael.
Simba? Drop the mic.
A giant water bottle.
Drop the mic. Mic drop.
To me, it just looked like him dropping something
It looks like he's
No,
putting his
it's
hands up, stretching.
and then dropping something like this.
An X.
No.
Airplane. A dragonfly. We'll pick a different one.
Light bulb.
Should have pointed to me, made the
Michael.
vomit motion.
Michael,
literally
there's
thought it was
3.
Simba or
You could have done peeling a potato. You just hold it in your hand and peel it. I mean,
Seatbelt.
Seatbelt. Buckling a seatbelt.
Car safety.
Buckle.
oh,
Yes.
Alyssa got it. Fasten your
Yes.
seatbelt.
I got it.
Your time starts now.
Sleeping.
I
Oh
got
my
it.
God.
We all got it. Tie.
That was way too
The
fast.
next one, we have to have a tiebreaker.
Road trip.
Packing a suitcase.
Unpacking a suitcase.
Packing a tent.
Unloading a duffel bag.
Rolling
Unloading
suitcase.
a car.
Suitcase. Roller suitcase.
Hurts.
Truck.
How are we not
One
getting
tripping
this?
it.
Riding? Squeezing? Oh,
Sunblock.
washing. Oh, I was gonna
Okay,
say that.
next one.
Okay.
Playing video games?
Texting.
Playing video games.
Yeah,
Phone.
playing video games.
Oh, I swear I saw that first.
I don't know.
That was a good
okay,
one.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, okay.
Earrings. Put it in earrings.
Putting
Put,
on earrings.
oh, how did I not
Sorry.
get that?
I don't even have earrings. Something tiny.
A screwdriver.
Pepper grinder. Stirring. Salt grinder.
Window.
Can opener.
Stirring something. Opening something.
Screwing.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Good job, David.
Present.
Present.
Oh, good job. Your face really sold that one. You were so excited.
Fast as I could.
I'm just going to put a little lighter fluid in here.
Okay, we're about to make dinner. Got some
This is
meat.
how you do camping. You pre-cook it at home so you're not sitting around cooking raw food when you're starving.
Yeah, actually
So
makes
this is
sense.
pre-cooked, homemade.
We just gotta heat it up, so that's easy. And then
Same
rice.
thing for the rice. We don't want to sit around boiling water.
And we have these
for
foil
rice,
lined.
so they're easier to clean.
Wow, nice oven mitt.
Well, the handle's a little hot, so this isn't nearly as hot as the meat. We should have opened this and pre-cooked it a little more. We haven't opened this ice chest up yet, but we're going to show you what's inside it.
Ooh.
We
Michael,
wanted
come
it to
look, come
stay extra cold. Michael,
look.
you
Ooh,
ready?
let's see.
Okay, open.
A pie!
Oh,
Oh my gosh, I love those
So
pies.
I'm
They're
gonna
so
stick it back in
good.
because we're not ready to eat it yet. It feels pretty cold still.
Those pies
Which is
are
good.
good. Now we're going to eat our pie for dessert.
It's chocolate brownie cream pie,
Yummy.
and it looks like it
good.
stayed pretty much perfect.
Nice. Looks like it'll be good. It's good. Okay, so basically we split the pie among the 4 of us.
Rather
And now-
unequally sort of.
Now we're still just like savaging it. It's so good. Okay, so we found that one of these bathroom stalls has a sink and we're going to use it to brush our teeth in. The things you do while you're camping. Okay, we finished brushing our teeth and I'm laughing because David just made a really dumb joke.
I did.
And now we're going to probably just lay in our tents for a few hours so we finally fall asleep. Because it's only like 7 or 6:30 or something.
7:30.
Oh, it's 7:30.
Yeah, this
And
should be
we
my
always go
record.
to bed at like 11 at midnight. You guys know us
11
watching
to midnight,
Survivor.
that's early.
Yeah, well still.
No,
So
that's when we start watching Survivor.
yeah,
We
that's
go
when
to
we start
sleep.
watching Survivor.
No, we go to our bed at 1, and then I fall asleep I don't fall asleep. I stay up all night.
What the crud since when? Well, anyways, we're gonna go to our tents now because it's literally freezing. Here's a couple bunnies. Meg sees them.
She wants to go get them so bad.
She does. We're making hot chocolate now in bowls and hot water, of course.
We forgot hot water cup.
Yep. We're drinking some orange juice now and we're packing up our second tent and we put out the fire, so we're getting ready to go on our hike. Hi Meg, you having a good camping trip? Last night she was sleeping by my feet and it was so cute. Well, Meg's following me and I guess we're going exploring now. But I was gonna tell you guys, last night was like super cold. I was so freezing because my pants were a little bit too short, so like my ankles were showing, and my socks weren't that tall, so I had to pull my socks up as much as I could, which wasn't very much. And so I didn't sleep that much until like the sun was practically already up, because I remember like peeking out of my eye mask and it was still like light in the tent from the sun. And then I think I finally fell asleep a little bit after that, and I had a super weird dream where our camera system was being hacked or something, and we were like hiding, and I don't know, one of the kids jumped in the ball pit. I don't know, it was really strange. But yeah, that's how I knew I was sleeping, because I was having a dream, and that's how I know I didn't sleep hardly at all. But overall, I had a great time. And there were these people next to our campground, they're actually still there, who were talking until like 3 a.m. super loud, so that's another reason we couldn't really sleep. We're going on our hike now.
And
Yeah,
Meg's
that's how the
like
garbage
leading
man
the
gets
way.
us
She
back
knows
into the
exactly
spot.
where we're going and what we're doing.
Yep, I guess she does. I think there's an animal in that bush right there. I heard it walking around. I think it might be a kind of bigger animal. Do you hear that? We took a little shortcut and we made it down to the lake.
It's so cool.
Yeah, it is cool. It's so pretty. Now we're heading back up to the trail. It's nice and hot outside today, huh?
Yeah, it's
Feels
great.
good. We found a little bridge with this stream. So cool. I like it. Look at the little waterfall. So pretty. Now we're done with our hike and we're going to eat lunch. We're having cheese and crackers, our favorite, and sandwiches.
Everyone has to take it like hors d'oeuvres.
Yummy.
Okay, and then I'm going to start legit. After you finish devouring those three, someone has to start devouring.
So we just finished lunch and I think we're gonna head home soon. I had a great time. We went hiking, we saw the lake, it was awesome. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys later. Bye!